How to use Seal Epoxy Extreme Liquid. First, read all the directions. This is powerful stuff, so the more you know, the better it goes. What you'll need: mixing surface, mixing stick, and protection. Not this kind, this kind. First, clean the area. Use acetone, lacquer thinner, or soap and water to remove grease, oil, and dirt. Never use alcohol or any cleaner that leaves a petroleum residue. If you got rust, get rid of it as much as possible. Use light sandpaper. Make sure the area is dry. Ready? Have your mixing surface ready. Our liquid epoxy comes in twin tubes and a dual cartridge syringe. One side contains resin and the other a hardener. Together they create ultimate epoxy bonding power. Remove the resealable no-waste cap from the nozzle. Push the plungers down to dispense equal amounts of resin and hardener onto your mixing surface. Careful, just one drop is all you need to create a super strong bond. Then, wipe away the excess resin and hardener before recapping the syringes. Careful again, make sure to wipe the two liquids in two separate directions. Then, put the resealable, no-waste cap back on the nozzle. Mixing and applying. Now, using the mixing stick, mix the resin and hardener until fully blended and uniform in color. Using the stick again, no, not that one, this one. Apply an even amount of Seal Epoxy Extreme Liquid to the area being repaired. Press it firmly into place. Setting and curing times. Once mixed, you'll have approximately 25 to 45 minutes to work with it before it begins to thicken or gel. Seal Epoxy Extreme Liquid sets in 3 to 6 hours, depending on temperature and humidity. The higher the temperature, the shorter it takes. That means you have 3 to 6 hours till your epoxy firms up and loses tackiness to the point where it resists movement. It fully cures and reaches full strength in 24 to 48 hours. After that, it can be sanded, drilled, and painted. Cleanup and storage. Acetone, lacquer thinner, and a dry cloth will do the trick. Store it in a cool, dry area. Now you're ready to make extreme repairs with Seal Epoxy Extreme Liquid.